So round two of showing this application. It's a simple one using Spring Boot. As you can see, mostly boilerplate. We've got a array here, which is a array of quotes that we'll be providing as part of this endpoint. So basically, someone will come onto the application, they'll ping a random quote, and then we will send them a quote at random, basically. So pretty straightforward. So if we have a look at this, it'll ping the API, and we see new quotes coming in. And then what we'll do is we want to have a look at our pom.xml, and I want to show one thing here called Spring Boot Actuator. So it's a tool that you can use to monitor your application. So in your properties file, you can add additional configurations to that actuator. But what we will do is we'll just come here, and by default, it'll provide you with a few endpoints, but mainly your health, and it'll ping your application to make sure it is up. So if we just make a call there, it'll give you the status up. And again, you can configure that to have more options, which is pretty cool. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show. So thanks.